Cuba the soy milk miso soup and also the soybean nugget. Sedap. Okay, so I have the soybean that's been soaked overnight and I have 6 cups of water here. Jom kita buat soya bean. Masuk the soya bean, as you can see it's all kembang already. Okay, so as you on it, then you can put in the water. Then here you go, open it up. Oh, just look at that. Right, so here's the pulp and I'm just going to put this aside and I'm going to show you how to make the nuggets. Okay, so I'm heating up my soybean. So I'm just going to do this for around 10 minutes to cook it truly, and also at the same time, off and on, you can actually whisk it so that it doesn't burn at the bottom. Okay, so I'm going to add in a pandan leaf to make it more fragrant. So just let it cook together. Okay, so bila dia mendidih, kita kena kacau-kacau dia so dia tak melipah keluar. Careful lah, it's panas. Alright, so if you want it to be a bit more salty, you can always add a pinch or 2 of salt, but then I prefer it like this. It's ready over here, so let's go and make the nuggets. Okay, so for the nuggets, I'll need the tofu, carrots, flour, spring onion, bit of breadcrumbs, onions, mushroom seasoning, salt, pepper, egg, soybean pulp. Once you add all of this in, give it a good mix. As you can see, the pulp is very dry, so from the juicer itself, it already extracted out all the soybean. Okay, so we are almost done here. So I'm just going to let it marinate in the Panasonic Prime Freeze using the quick cooling function so that all the flavors will go into it faster and then we will have a very flavorful nuggets. So I'm going to set it to the quick cooling function for 15 minutes. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes and let's start to make the soybean nugget. Right, so just shape it according to the size that you want. Okay, you don't need to be too firm, you not need to be too hard. Okay, firm it up, press it down, then just put it aside. So yang ni cara dia macam buat bergedil lah, sama je, bahan lain je. Okay, so I'm going to preheat the oven using the convection function. Okay, so let's bake it in the oven. Put this in and set the time to 15 minutes. Okay, so it's done. Here you go. Nice and crispy on the outside. Okay, so for the soup, tofu is in the bowl already. Okay, just like that. Here you go, soy milk miso soup and homemade soybean nugget.
Panasonic.